Let's celebrate innovation. Fakuma presents 30 innovators, 30 impulses.
ALBIS has been part of Fakuma since the very first day, since the first exhibition in 1981. We are very proud of this connection of a hands-on decision-making exhibition in the plastics industry. To ALBIS, Fakuma is the place to be. It's the networking event of the year where partnerships come to life. We are very happy to be present in Hall B4, together with many of our strategic partners. At Fakuma, we can showcase and demonstrate what ALBIS stands for. We are not just another material supplier, we're a trusted advisor, closely connected to our customers and partners. The ALBIS team and I look forward to meeting you in Friedrichshafen in October this year. Initially, I guess, in the traffic jam and then later in Hall B4 at our booth.
Let's celebrate Fakuma. A very warm welcome, now open Monday through Friday in Friedrichshafen.